This side hustle just made me $175 for 1 hour of my time. And it's none other than doing research studies. For most of the research studies that I've done, I essentially test out a product or service or the user experience of a product, and I essentially just give my feedback or opinion on it. And the way I found research studies is gonna sound so shady, but Craigslist. Search for research studies on Craigslist and then fill out the survey. They'll probably ask you demographic questions, whether you're full-time, self-employed, and then your experiences with a different product. And if you fit the bill, they will call or schedule you to come in and do the research study. I found that some research firms pay you in the form of gift cards, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, direct deposit, or just straight up give you the cash. The one drawback of research studies is there's not a lot of them. Plus, you have to qualify for these research studies.
There's absolutely no side hustle that has more potential than this one if you do it from October until February. It's a seasonal side hustle, so it only works in winter. The good thing, you need absolutely no prior experience for this one. So let me show you how it works. We're going to be making videos like this, and trust me, they get views. Because millions of families that don't have an actual campfire will play this video and the sound over their TV so they get the Christmas vibe. So our audience is huge, and that many views on a 10-hour YouTube video equal a lot of money. Now here's an easy tutorial how to make a video like that. Go to Pexels.com and look up Fireplace. Now grab one of their videos and download it for free. In the next step, you're gonna put this video on loop for like 5 hours. Then go to Mixkit and download a free fire sound. Now that we have our video, go to YouTube, use the exact same hashtags that the viral videos used, and upload the video.